Hello, hi guys. When it comes to DLR, there is no syllabus in the CAT exam. कोई syllabus है ही नहीं, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन आता है. That's why if you solve only two sets, you clear the cutoff even for IIM Ahmedabad. No doubt paper is tough, but as a student, I need to define some scope. यार ये टॉपिक करके जाओ तो मैं पास हो जाऊंगा. So this is the syllabus from the DLR point of view from the CAT exam. या मैंने आपको बेसिकली क्या किया, लास्ट ईयर का पूरा CAT का पेपर दे दिया. So Venn diagram, very important topic. Games and tournament, matrix based arrangement, routes and maps, scatter plot diagram, caselet, and bar chart, line chart, graph chart. So this is your topic you have to do. इसके अलावा तुम्हें जो करना है करो, but ये वो topic है which is the most important topic from the DLR point of view which you have to do. Yeah. See, suppose इनमें से 4 सेट आएंगे. Last year there were 4 sets. Suppose I am done with this thing. I don't know how to solve this. I know this. So at least I can pass the exam. And that's why we're launching a program called CATify. In CATify, we are going to prepare for all the exams, all the CAT exam, non-CAT exam, GDPI preparation as well. Just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here in case you want to join us for the program. Yeah, so you can attend a demo lecture as well. So in case you want to join us, please call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. So this is a scope from the DLR point of view. या ये सारे टॉपिक मेरे को ख़त्म करने हैं, अभी नहीं, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, बाय एटलीस्ट जुलाई एंड. ठीक है, ताकि मेरा एक बार सारा बेसिक लेवल सब कुछ खत्म हो जाए. देन आई एम रेडी टू गो फॉर द एडवांस लेवल सीधा. फाइन. सो दिस इज अ स्कोप फ्रॉम द DLR पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. टारगेट ऑन द एग्जाम डे इज 2 sets. इफ यू कैन डू 2 sets, no one can stop you from getting the good score. Okay, now out of this obviously you won't be able to solve everything. आपको जो आता है या areas you want to focus on, let's focus on those areas and try to maximize my score. Alright, so please take a screenshot और इसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिया है of this page. You can check out the details there. All the best.